creating your account, all you need to know is that you need to have your NIN number as a Nigerian or your BVN. I created an account using my BVN, and it's a very simple process, and you can do it easily. In 5 minutes your account is already created, as long as you know your BVN. If you do not know your BVN, you can dial *565*0# to get your BVN if you're using MTN, or if you're using GTB, you can just ask for your account balance and it'll show you your BVN. Alright, so that's for that. Investors, I got a question from one of our investors that wanted to fund her account, okay? And she was asking me if she can fund her USD wallet or her Naira wallet. And I'm saying right now that you can fund either of them. But for me, it's best to fund your Naira wallet with whatever amount that you want to start with first. And then when you want to start investing, you go to the invest section, you swap your money to dollars. You come to the account here, you swap to dollars, okay? You swap to dollars. See, I have a pending deposit right now. You swap to dollars, and then you go to invest, and you invest either in stocks or in the fixed return where it gets up to 8%. Alright, so now I'm going to show you account. I'm gonna make deposits in Naira, okay? Because I'm not buying dollars right now because it's still very high for me. But if you're good with this rate, you can buy dollar right now. So I want to make deposit of 5,000 Naira. So I click on deposits, and I either use bank transfer with my mobile app or I use my card. But I'm going to be using a bank transfer, right? So I'm copying this right now. It says Monify Sterling Bank, is Sterling Bank Monify. So I'm going to my Kuda, alright. I'm going to transfer 5,000 Naira right now. As I explained, the reason why I'm not buying dollar right now is because I wanted to get to 1,000 or 1,050 or 900 before I swap. So I'm just going to save my money in Naira in the app until I'm ready to swap it. And swapping does not cost you anything, okay? The reason why I love Bamboo is that it allows you investing in stocks, companies with $1, okay? With $1 you can invest in Apple, Amazon, Disney, ET, Google. Now there are actually three types of investment you can make in Bamboo. You can either invest in stocks or ETFs. I love Bamboo is because you can start investing with $1, okay? And there are three ways to invest in Bamboo. You can invest in stocks, you can invest in ETFs, exchange traded funds, you can invest in real estate investments. Look at them here, REIT, trust. And then you can invest in fixed returns. Okay, here they say get up to 8% dollar returns, easy. If you click on start investing and you impute the amount, no, even if it's $1, $1 now is 1,005 Naira. Can you see? For 90 days, and you review your investment, it's going to give you $0.01. So if you have up to $1,000, which is $1,000,000 right now, and you want to keep your money, you don't know what to do with it, you want to keep your money for like 3 months, 90 days, they're going to pay you 4.5%. If you review your investment, they're going to pay you $11. That's 11,000 Naira, or dollar could be 1,200, 1.5, whatever, by the time it matures, which is February 2024. As you can see, I've funded my account. Let me show you. It's yet to reflect. Normally I give it 2 to 3 minutes. It always reflects. See, it has reflected. Oh my god, I forgot the 100 Naira. So I sent him 5,000 instead of 5,1. Shit. So yeah, it has reflected 4,900. I sent 5,000. They took 100 Naira charge, and it's 4,900. Okay. So you wait, or you just easily swap to dollars. Okay, see, Naira to dollars. I have 4,900, so I just want to transfer maybe 1,500. That's $1.31. Okay, That's what is going to be swapped at this rate, 1,149 naira. But I don't want that, so I'm just going to leave it there and wait. Okay, then if I'm going to be swapping it to dollars, I'm going to swap it and then buy stocks that I like, or I put it on fixed returns. Okay, click on start investing. Maybe I want to start investing for 90 days. I want to invest $5 for 90 days or $500 for 90 days, and see, this is how much. See, that is $5. I'm expecting 5,700 or more. It could be 7,000 for keeping $5. But just you're keeping it in order to check what you want to do, which stocks to buy, because I'm not expecting you to buy any stock right now that you are not sure if it's going to perform very well. You don't know how much it's paying, how the stock perform. It's not just advisable to rush into it just because you love a particular stock or because you're familiar with it. So that's it for now. And yeah, you can learn on this, learn about investing, learn about bamboo fixed return, how to sell your stock, how to buy your stock. Okay, all these are there to help you and guide you in investing. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next one. Now let's take a look at Snapchat. We invested in Snapchat in our previous class. If you click on it, all you need to know about the stock, the news, this is the news section, what's going on about Snapchat. Is it downgrading to hold as turnaround has been slow? You need the news to know what is happening in the company so it can influence your decision. The financials, the highest when it opens, how much it opened for today. It opened at $10.55. The highest it has been for today before the market closed was 10.91, and then the lowest was 10.52. Dividend slash yield means the dividend it is paying. It's not paying dividends, so it's not a dividend paying company. Over here, this is where you know if the company is paying dividend or not. If you come back, if you want to check this other company that I love so much, ET or ExxonMobil, XOM is the ticker symbol for ExxonMobil. Okay, ExxonMobil is selling for $107 per share, and it's paying dividend. If you go to the financial, it's paying 3.30 in dividend. How I know is if I go to Yahoo Finance. I like to use Yahoo Finance to check every stock before I buy. I also show you the stock screen filters I use. Okay, so normally ExxonMobil, XOM is ticker symbol. If you don't know the ticker symbol, you can still click, you can still type the name, okay, and it will pop up. See, 107. I go to historical data. Can you see historical data? Historical data will tell me everything, the prices, dividend it's paying, daily, monthly or weekly. Now I want to know what has been going on with this stock since maybe last year February. So I'll go to February. This is the date. I'm changing the date. February 2nd of February. I click set till today, which is the 5th of November 2023, and I click done. Then I want to know monthly, how it has been doing monthly. Then I click apply. Alright, can you see it's paying 0.91 dividend, 0.91 dividend, 0.91 dividend. If you times 0.91 by 4, or if you plus this right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will give you 3.3. Yes, 0.91. Calculator. 0.91 times 4. So it's going to give you 3.64%, which is what they said right here. Sorry, the summary. Okay, summary is telling us that forward dividend and yield is 3.8, which is 3.53%, $3.8. That is for the next one. Next date is November 14th. This November 14th, 2023. I'm going to be paying a quarter of $3.8. They are going to pay 4 times in a year. 4 times in a year. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So every company that pays dividend pays 4 times in a year.
Money Reality with Kristle is out. Oh my god, they're out, investors. Yeah, this book talks about the basis of personal finance with God's word. This book comes with a sample budget tracker and a downloadable expense tracker for record keeping. This book comes with direct access to my closed community of DIY investors. This book comes with a complete packaged tutorial video on how you can start investing with as low as $1 step by step with investment app from Nigeria. Yes, bonds, shares, stocks. This book is the bomb, I tell you. And you ask me, what is the value of this book? What is the cost of ignorance?